Welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Stuart and today we have for you this beautiful magnetic silver DBX 550. This particular car was registered in April 2021 and is on a 21 plate and has travelled 20,000 miles from new. So this car will have a service left on the service package once the second one is completed in the next coming months. And just wanted to run you around some of the specification of the car inside and out, and hopefully we can show you a little bit more. So this particular car, as I say, is finished in magnetic silver, which for me I think is kind of quite one of the nicest colours that we have done over the years, and it is a true sort of lightish mid-grey. We also have a gloss black lower body package on this car. So we do have the cladding on the bottom of the doors. We have a gloss black front diffuser and a rear splitter as well. Gloss black upper body package, so that would give you the gloss black grille that is on the front here. Moving on to the side strakes down the side of the vehicle, mirror caps, and then the gloss black window surround and roof arch. It will also give you the dark textured tail tips on the back. Unusually so, we have satin chrome bonnet blades on this DBX with the dark chrome badging on the front and rear as well. Moving you down the side of the vehicle, as you can see, we have the 22-inch gloss black and diamond turned sport design wheels with the red brake calipers behind. Keep that feature in mind for when we're running through the interior. Also on the back of the vehicle, we have the smoked rear lights on the back. And as you can see, as before, we've got the black badging and script on the back as well. We'll give you a bit of a run around and then we'll take you through on the interior. Two other notable features that we have on this vehicle in the boot. We have the pump up spare wheel in the back of this vehicle, along with a tow bar and electronics. As you can see, the standard pan roof lets in oodles of light on this lovely interior on the DBX. So we have an onyx black or obsidian black leather interior. This is the higher grade leather that you would find in the DBX lineup. And as I said, on the outside, we do have a link to the exterior. So we have this spicy red stitching throughout the car. And we also have, quite unusually, red seat belts in the vehicle as well, but I actually think it gives the car a real sort of sporty look and feel on the interior. We have a dark chrome jewellery pack on the car, so that's your dash around buttons and switches and the dials and paddles on the steering wheel, and some carbon fibre on the centre armrest as well. So a really cool sort of sporty spec. We also have your standard technology that you would find on DBX. So we have your touchpad here with your Apple CarPlay, and we also have your 360 surround cameras and your radar cruise and that sort of thing. Other options that you got in this car, we have heated seats, standard, but we also have the ventilated seats front and rear in this vehicle, as well as a heated steering wheel. What we'll do is we'll run you through some of the bits in the back. So as I say, in the back of here, you get all the red detailing come through on the rear seat. So not just your seat belts, but also we have the Wings logo on the top of the headrest. We have a black carpet and a obsidian black roof lining as well. So just to sort of give you that sportier theme. We also have, and it's I think quite an important feature for DBX really, we have the privacy glass with laminated side windows. So gives you extra safety, also less noise coming inside the cabin, and for me just is a nicer feature to have on the vehicle. If you want some more information, do give us a shout here at the showroom, or you can visit us on hwmastonmartin.co.uk.